In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to combine two videos in Capcut. If you want to combine two videos in Capcut, then follow the simple guide. First of all, you want to go ahead and select the video. Let's see, I'm going to go with this one. Press the add button. As you can see, this is the first video. Now, I'm going to go ahead and split in this particular section so that it's going to be easy for me to add the next part. So I'm going to go ahead and split this, and I'm going to delete the unwanted part. So you can see there is this bin icon. So as you can see, this is the other part. Now as you can see, this is the first part of the video. If I want to go ahead and add the next one, I'm going to go ahead and click either the plus icon right over here and then add this one. Let's see. So click the add button. As you can see, it's been added, but however, this has been added. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select add overlay at the bottom and then add the next video so that it's going to be combined. So as you can see, this is the one. If you want to go ahead and keep it over here, you just have to hold on and then drag it right over here. But then if I want to go ahead and keep it in the top, so I'm going to go ahead and drag it here. So this way you move the video and combine it as well. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.